First of all, the Hill Start Assist is the system that can automatically detect whether you parked your Ford on a hill and then assist you in flawlessly driving without any rollbacks. Interestingly, it also works when your car is in reverse, nose down on the hill. I fairly don't know why they introduced this feature for vehicles with conventional automatic transmissions. Maybe this function releases the pressure from the transmission and allows you to start moving with less effort from the engine. For manual transmissions and also for dual clutch transmissions, this is a very useful feature. So the Hill Start Assist Not Available warning may be on when the vehicle can't activate the system. Usually this happens because of the following reasons. ABS system failure. The Hill Launch Assist, or HLA, relies on the ABS to hold the brake pressure when you release the pedal. The second reason is brake switch. There is a switch that sends the information to the brain of your car that the brake pedal is pressed. If it's faulty, a lot of functions will be out, including the HLA. I've personally seen the situation when the Hill Start Assist Not Available message came up on the dash when the brake light bulb was out in the Ford Fusion, so it's also worth checking. Then, issues with the traction control. Once your Ford feels that the traction control is not okay or the road is slippery, it will turn off several assists to avoid crash. Also, this will not require any work, just check it the next time you are on the hill with no ice or snow on it. Then, this may be a random message because your 12-volt battery is not feeling well. In this case, the message may be changed by some other message or warning light. Checking the battery is one of the first recommendations in case you see such a message. So here is what you may try doing. If the road is bad or slippery, ignore the problem till you check it on a good road. Then check the battery health. Make sure all brake lights go on when you press the pedal. Try turning the Hill Launch Assist off and then on again. In my blog article about this warning, there is a short description on how to do it. The link is in the description. See if there are other warning lights or messages. If nothing helps and the problem keeps annoying you, you will need to go to the dealer and have the car inspected. But can you drive with the Hill Start Assist Not Available warning? Yes, you can drive, but make sure you don't rely on this Hill Launch Assist feature. Of course, it's not recommended to ignore the problem at all. Also, this issue may indicate the ABS problem or brake system issues, so it's really worth paying more attention to it.